Prominent Australian-based lawyer Bill Morgan faults Coinbase over its decision not to support XRP secondary market sales. The pro-XRP attorney said this while expanding on an earlier remark in which he called out the American exchange for inconsistencies. It is not smart for exchanges like Coinbase to continue not to allow secondary trading of XRP, Morgan said in a tweet on June 7. According to him, the assertions made by Coinbase in its reply to the SEC's Wells notice were inconsistent with the exchange's behavior towards XRP. He attached a portion of Coinbase reply to the Wells notice, where the exchange argued that secondary market transactions do not implicate an investment contract, irrespective of whether an issuer engaged in marketing efforts at the time of each transaction on its platform. Per Attorney Morgan, it is understandable if Coinbase stops Ripple or its intermediaries from selling XRP on its platform. However, he argued that Coinbase halted support for XRP secondary market transactions in its entirety, including those sales that are not tied to Ripple in any way. Morgan vowed to keep exposing the exchange's inconsistencies. However, regardless of these differences, he declared support for Coinbase amid its legal battle against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. It bears mentioning that Coinbase halted support for XRP trading less than a month after the SEC charged Ripple with violating federal securities laws. While attorney John Deaton believed Coinbase's decision was due to the exchange's plan of going public at the time, several XRP proponents like Morgan think the exchange was unfair to the coin and its supporters. Notably, Coinbase failed to suspend support for Algorand despite the SEC also labeling it a security, raising questions. Attorney Morgan made his latest remark while reacting to a Twitter thread by Jesse Hines, founder of the equity crowdfunding platform SeedStarter. In the thread, Hines urged XRP community members to move beyond tribalism and embrace victims of SEC's recent enforcement actions. For context, XRP enthusiasts believe the crypto community turned its back on them after the SEC sued Ripple in December 2020 for violating federal securities laws via its offer and sale of XRP. Hines pointed out that Coinbase and Binance could have done more at the initial stage of Ripple's legal battle. However, he added that other crypto communities saw Ripple and XRP enthusiasts as the bad guys. With the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance and labeling several crypto assets, including ADA and BNB, as securities, other cryptocurrency community members have started speaking against the regulators' adverse enforcement actions. Interestingly, XRP enthusiasts have not made things easy for the latest victims of SEC's legal battle, as they continue to remind these crypto supporters about their sustained silence in the wake of Ripple's lawsuit. Meanwhile, Hines thinks it's time for the XRP community to move beyond the criticisms and be the bigger person by welcoming other crypto enthusiasts who are speaking against the SEC's negative stance. You gave all these companies and groups hell for the last couple of days. It's time to be the welcoming outcast who has been through it all and empathize with all the new emotions and experiences everyone else is facing, Hines stressed. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In a tweet on June 7th, Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett disclosed June 13, 2023, might be a busy day for the cryptocurrency industry. According to the pro-crypto journalist, the date of the possible release of Hinman's docs coincides with the House Financial Services Committee hearing on crypto legislation. Terrett made this known while reacting to her previous tweet. Per Terrett, Chairman Patrick McHenry scheduled the next congressional crypto hearing for Tuesday, June 13, 2023, at 1800 hours UTC. Terrett said the theme for the next hearing is the future of digital assets, providing clarity for the digital asset ecosystem. It is worth noting that the hearing will take place at the Rayburn House Office Building. For context, the congressional hearing is part of efforts by U.S. policymakers to establish clear regulations for the emerging market. In a recent video, McHenry stated several reasons why policymakers need to get the process right. Firstly, policymakers need to enable consumer protection and harness innovation. Furthermore, McHenry asserted that there is a need for federal agencies like the CFTC and SEC to collaborate for the sole purpose of protecting U.S. customers. The upcoming congressional crypto hearing will focus on providing regulatory clarity for the digital asset ecosystem, including the cryptocurrency industry. Interestingly, crypto enthusiasts hope the hearing will address SEC Chair Gary Gensler's latest crackdown on crypto businesses. Meanwhile, Hinman's docs have recently attracted a lot of attention. The document is expected to be made public on June 13th, in accordance with Judge Analyst Torres' sealing order in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Hinman's docs involve internal deliberations at the SEC in the build-up to William Hinman's speech on cryptocurrencies in 2018, where he declared Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities. The SEC made significant efforts not to release the documents to Ripple, including appealing the court's decisions on more than 5 occasions. However, Hinman's email will finally be made public on June 13th, the same day as the upcoming congressional crypto hearing. Before I continue, I want to tell you something about DexPool. It's a self-composed liquidity provider. Known as a market maker, it's like someone lending their crypto assets to a platform to help with the decentralization of cryptocurrency trading. In return, you receive rewards with fees generated by trades on that platform, something many consider a form of passive income, and you can get it if you use DexPool. Important to clarify that anyone can add liquidity to decentralized platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. through DexPool. DexPool has a welcome special sign-up bonus, which you can claim as long as you use the link provided in the video description. This bonus consists in getting up to 100 XRP. It is a 10 days liquidity bonus. The offer is limited. When you make a deposit, you will receive this bonus. Furthermore, XRP community members continue to react to the recent statements from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Garlinghouse said SEC Chair Gary Gensler's so-called pro-innovation stance is the exact opposite of the Commission's enforcement actions against crypto. Garlinghouse's comment was in response to the Commission's crackdown against leading crypto exchanges Binance and Coinbase, as well as SEC Chairperson Gensler's recent remarks on digital currency. According to Garlinghouse, the SEC sued Binance and Coinbase to distract people from the fact that they were caught off guard during the collapse of the FTX ecosystem in November 2022. It's embarrassing to watch an unelected bureaucrat flail like this to mask the fact that he and his agency don't have the power that he so desperately craves. No one is fooled, he added. The Ripple CEO's remark has sparked reactions from XRP enthusiasts, eagerly anticipating the end of the ongoing SEC legal battle against Ripple. Reacting to the comment, an XRP community member asserted that Garlinghouse's strong words in the tweet could indicate a negative outcome in the company's legal battle against the SEC. According to the Twitter user, the words suggest that the lawsuit could be heading to trial or the company might be considering appealing the summary judgment decision in a higher court. The individual invited attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at Hogan & Hogan, to share his opinion. Responding to recent speculation, attorney Hogan emphasized that any talk of a settlement in the SEC versus Ripple case was premature. Hogan's remarks come less than 24 hours after prominent crypto journalist Zach Rector disclosed that Ripple is close to settling with the SEC. Notably, there have been talks of a possible settlement in the SEC versus Ripple case since last month. Many speculate that the parties would agree on a settlement due to Judge Analyst Torres' sealing order. Recall that Judge Torres denied the SEC's motion to seal the drafts of William Hinman's 2018 speech on cryptocurrencies. The judge issued the ruling despite efforts made by the SEC to keep the document sealed. With Hinman's emails expected to be made public on June 13, 2023, several proponents speculate that the SEC would finally bow to pressure and settle with Ripple to keep the document sealed. Last month, the individual behind the Wall Street Bulls financial blog alleged that the SEC had already settled with Ripple. The user promised to share the full settlement details on June 14, 2023. It is worth noting that Ripple is open to settling with the SEC. However, the leading blockchain company has reiterated that it will only settle with the SEC if the Commission provides regulatory clarity for XRP. Now to the big question of the day. Is XRP on a path to a $6.40 price? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. XRP fiercely defended the support above 50 cents despite the recent downtrend triggered by the SEC's lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase. Amid this resilience, Egreg, a skilled analyst, has identified the formation of a W pattern on XRP's weekly chart, forecasting a run to a range between $5.50 and $6.40. Egreg emphasized that XRP might be heading to a territory he calls the Twilight Zone. According to him, this zone encompasses a price range between $5.50 and $6.40. Egreg believes XRP's recent price movement suggests that the asset is currently slipping into the zone with the formation of a W pattern. EGRAG calculated a price target range based on the non-logarithmic scale, with the scale estimated to be between 75 cents and 85 cents. The analyst believes XRP could hit this point as it makes the W formation. However, measuring the W formation based on the logarithmic scale, EGRAG sets the target to a range between $1 and $1.20. According to him, should XRP follow the logarithmic scale in forming the W pattern, it could hit these price targets on the path to the twilight zone. EGRAG further called attention to a symmetrical triangle pattern formed by the convergence of the final wake-up line and the Atlas line. The triangle indicates a period of consolidation before a potential breakout. EGRAG pointed out that the symmetrical triangle is full, and a breakout would set XRP on a path to $5.50. The analyst sets a Fibonacci target of 1.618 as the ultimate price goal. The Fib 1.618 target sits at the $6.40 price point. According to him, if XRP follows Fibonacci retracement patterns, the price could reach $6.40 based on this ratio. EGRAG also previously forecasted a potential $10 price point for XRP. The analyst asserted that XRP could hit $10 or $27 in the next 2 years, depending on the direction it takes from here. However, in the latest Twilight Zone analysis, EGRAG has identified the possibility of a market downturn which he calls the ultimate shakeout. He advised investors to be cautious as some unforeseen events could lead to the lows of this month or prices below them. It bears mentioning that while EGRAG sees a $6.40 ultimate price target, pro-XRP attorney John Deaton forecasts a more ambitious price. As was disclosed, Deaton stressed in a recent interview that he is anticipating XRP to surge between $2 and $10 when the SEC litigation ends in Ripple's favor. Deaton further said that XRP FOMO will start when XRP reaches $2. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.